seek my blessings from there only. My blessings are always with you. Go peacefully.
Stop shedding tears, Pumpkin. Your daughter-in-law is here.
I will go and tell Mohan right now to go with Radha. He can check on Radha's aunt and bring Radha back with him.
Radha was going to leave yesterday, but Mohan didn't let her go.
So what?
Suddenly we get that letter, and Mohan does not stop Radha from leaving.
But Radha said her aunt lived in Barsana. Why did this? Oh no. Is Radha in danger?
Priest? Who could it be? Which girl came to meet Hriday?
I don't know, dear, but I must say this. I have seen that girl many times.
Radha says Lord Krishna has more powers than anyone. He can do anything he wants. If you ask him for something with honesty, he gives it to you. Hail Lord Krishna.
Gungun, Mohan.
This box here is locked.
Radha, you'll hurt yourself.
And her drama begins.
Hail Lord Krishna. Hail Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna, please answer my daughter's prayers. Please bring Radha, uncle and grandma back, no matter where they are.
Hail Lord Krishna.
Wasn't the grown-up Radha enough for us? Now we will have to deal with the younger version also.
What does this contain, dear?
This is an evidence of Hriday's preparations. He found out a lot about everyone before coming to the house. What Mohan likes, what aunt likes, the relationship between Mohan and Gungun, all of it is written on these sheets of paper. And What's more, and there are things written about you too. What can be done to impress you? All of that is mentioned here.
Mohan doesn't face threat from outsiders, but those close to him.
The stuff that's written on these papers. Only a family member can know about such things. I am sure someone from the family was in cahoots with Hriday. That person must have given him this information. Who could it be?
Try to understand what I am saying. It's a post office. Many letters come here every day from multiple post boxes, and it is extremely difficult to find out who posted one particular letter, Mr. Mohan.
Sir, I know, sir. But please try to understand. My family's life is in danger.
Mr. Mohan, I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
Mohan, I found out which post box the letter came from. There was a CCTV camera near the post box. I've obtained the footage too.
What?
Yes.
Can we watch it?
Yes, sir. Yesterday, many people posted letters in this post box. But Mr. Shekhar gave me the photos of all those people whom you know.
So what?
So I recognized him. It was the same man who put the letter in the box yesterday.
Hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna, hey
Even by
Lord
mistake,
Krishna.
if Lord Krishna listens to her, then this pipsqueak will stand on one leg in her school in front of teachers to improve her grades also.
Mom, you know, I am praying that no matter where this Radha is, I don't care whether she lives. I don't want her to return.
Yes.
Who is that person?
See for yourself.
This?
Hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord
Gungun,
Krishna,
dear, stop it. That's enough.
hey Lord Krishna,
Gungun, please stop it. Radha will come back.
hey Lord Krishna.
Gungun, have faith in Lord Krishna. He won't let anything happen to her. He will bring Radha back. Please stop it.
Hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna.
Gungun,
Hey, Lord
Gungun, dear,
Krishna.
have some water.
Hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna.
You can
hey
pray
Lord
later. Your
Krishna.
voice is also hoarse.
Hey
Drink water
Lord
first.
Krishna, hey Lord Krishna. Hey Lord Krishna, hey Lord Krishna. Hey Lord Krishna.
Gungun, Gungun, Gungun.
What have you done? You disrupted my puja. How will Radha come home now? Leave me. Let me go. Leave me. Gungun, your puja wasn't disrupted. Prayers have been heard. Radha has returned. Radha? Thank you, Lord Krishna.
Radha is back. Gungun, Radha has come back.
Mohan, you brought Radha back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm sorry.
Oh Lord, you take ages to fulfill our wishes. But even if we perform austerities, penance, offer prayers, but this brat, she performed a small puja and you fulfilled all her wishes. Isn't this injustice? There, the jinx has returned.
Stop, Gungun! Stop right there. Don't set foot in this house. Don't set foot in this house. There is no place for you. Neither in this house, nor in our family. Do you understand?
Oh my, how did he manage to change his heart? Isn't it a miracle?
Mohan, what are you saying? Didn't you say that I was a part of this family? Then why?
Are you asking me the reason?
Maybe I know the answer to this question. You are upset because I left this house, right? Please forgive me, Mohan. I made a huge mistake.
Radha, you don't need to apologize. Mohan, what are you saying? Now Radha came back. All good. I am happy.
No, Gungun. Now we don't have any relationship with Radha. We didn't end this. But Radha has ended the relationship.
Mohan, what are you trying to say?
You were in a hurry to leave this house, right? You wanted to get rid of us. I begged you not to leave. I even fought with you to stop you. I stayed awake all night so that you wouldn't leave, but you lied to all of us, Radha. Why?
Not impossible. Radha never lies.
I used to feel the same, Gungun. Radha, you told such a big lie, you broke this girl's heart.
What are you saying, Mohan?
Yes, Mom. Do you remember what I used to tell you? Didn't I say that you couldn't lie, you would get caught? But I must admit, Radha, you told such a big lie and tricked the whole family, right?
Mohan, stop beating around the bush and tell us what's going on.
You wanted to know who wrote that letter, right? From Vrindavan, who posted that letter? This. Take a look, Mom. Take a look and show it to everyone. You wanted to see, right? Look.
Oh Lord, please take a look.
Radha, you were the one who posted that letter?
Mohan, please forgive me. I am lying to you and your family. But what can I do? You won't let me leave this house. And I cannot stay in this house anymore.
You wanted to leave this house, right? Fine, get out from this house. You were in a hurry to leave this house. Isn't that why you lied to all of us? It's good. After what you did, I found out your true intentions. If you don't want to be a part of our family, we don't want to have any relationship with you. Leave from here. Go.
Forgive me, Mohan, please. I made a mistake.
I don't want your apology. I want a reason. I want to know why you lied. Tell me why you left this house. Answer me.
How can I tell you that I love you so much that I can't see you becoming somebody else's? I just can't do it.
Do you know what happened after you left the house? How would you know? You weren't here. After you left, Gungun prayed to Lord Krishna by standing on one foot so that you would return home. The way you prayed to Lord Krishna when you lost the Bhagavad Gita? Do you remember?
Gungun, why?
Because the way the Bhagavad Gita means the world to you. Similarly for Gungun, you mean the world.
Gungun, your legs must be aching. Let me massage your legs with oil.
Until you tell me the true reason, I won't let you meet my daughter.
I hope Radha doesn't confess her feelings for Mohan.
Everyone knows that Radha will never do anything wrong. Then tell me the reason. Why did you want to leave this house? Why did you want to leave this family, Gungun, and even me?
I know.
Oh Lord Krishna, I hope Gungun doesn't tell everyone that I am in love with Mohan.
You force her to study all the time, Mohan.
Mohan. I know I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me. I will accept any punishment you give me. I'll accept everything. Please let me massage Gungun's legs first. Please, Mohan.
I don't need anyone's help to take care of my daughter. Her dad is still alive, okay? If you cannot tell me why you wanted to leave the house, I cannot let you enter this house.
Mohan.
Gungun, come back.
Mohan, listen to me. Mohan!
Radha! Leave me! Radha!
Gungun! Oh Lord Krishna!
See, we managed to get rid of the thorn on our side.
No, Mom. Gotten rid of her, she wouldn't have returned. You don't know this. Radha decided to return here. I am sure she must have planned something. But what?
Radha! Leave me. I want to go to
Gungun,
Radha.
please listen to me. Gungun, listen. Listen to me. What Radha did was wrong, Gungun. She lied to us all. Is this the way to treat people? You can't just leave and return when you want. Did she think about the people she left behind? Did she think about the people who were used to having her? Did she think about the people who were yearning for her? Did she? Did she think about how others would feel if she left? How hurt or bad they would feel? How much they would miss her? She didn't think.
Mohan, I don't understand such difficult things. Radha left this house because she loves.
Promise me that you won't reveal the truth to Mohan.
Because she loves me and I love her.
Had she loved you, she wouldn't have left.
I don't know, but she came back because she loves me.
What if she leaves again?
I don't know.
Gungun, listen. When you love someone, you don't leave them like this. You stay with them.
I don't know anything. I don't want to hear anything. I just want to be with Radha. Radha!
Gungun, you won't meet Radha. Listen to me.
Please, I don't even have a mom. At least let me have Radha by my side.
Gungun.
Mohan, your anger is justified. But Radha's reason is also justified. She didn't leave because she didn't value relationships. She left because she felt the relationship that she wants is wrong. The relationship of love. She loves you, Mohan. And she left because she wanted to hide it.
Sister Dulari? Sister Dulari?
Forgive me, Radha, but I can't open the door.
But
Mohan sir has ordered me not to. And no one can go against Mohan sir's orders.
I'm not asking you to open the door. Until Mohan opens the door and invites me in, I will stay here. I just wanted to ask you to massage Gungun's legs, please.
Okay, Radha.
Everyone loves each other a lot. Then, who could have joined hands with Hriday? Mohan, please let me come in so that I can find the real culprit.
Let me go to Radha, please.
Gungun, I said no. And no means no.
If you don't let me go, then
Radha, you always solve my problems, but today you are the person who landed me in trouble. Why did you lie to me? I will find out the reason.
Mom, this Mohan just pretends to be a hard man with anger issues, but he is so soft. Trust me, he will open the door in some time and Radha will be back here. But no, I cannot let that happen, Mom.
Oh Lord, please listen to this widow's prayers. Please don't allow this to happen.
ouch!
Gungun?
Radha, eat something first. Eat it before someone sees you.
No, Gungun. I don't like it when you do things behind Mohan's back. I don't like it. Mohan will be upset, Gungun.
Let him. Remember, you fed me when I fell in the borewell. Now it's my turn. You better eat, or else the way you jumped in the borewell for me, I will jump down for you.
No, Gungun, no. Stay right there. I'll eat. I'm eating. Stay there. Move back. I took some food. I'm eating. But Gungun, you shouldn't lie to Mohan like this.
When did I lie to him? In fact, I'm not saying anything. The way you aren't telling Mohan that you are in love with him. Just tell him and become my mom. We'll stay together after that.
What did you say?
Mom?
What did this brat say? Mom, I won't spare her.
Gungun, are you alright?
I am fine. I slipped.
You will fall down. Stay away from the railing. Didn't I tell you that you might fall?
Oh my! Have you lost your mind? Had that spirit seen you pushing her daughter down, then who knows from where all that spirit will throw us down? Dear Tulsi, my dear Tulsi, if you are somewhere around, then my daughter's action, please do not take it to your heart. She was just kidding. Huh? Just kidding. Where did my daughter go, leaving me alone? If that spirit is around, then she will beat me again into a pulp. Oh Lord, please protect.
No, Grandma. This concerns the family's safety.
Radha, I think you should tell Mohan the entire truth.
No, Grandma. How can I tell Mohan? His family has finally united. They have started treating each other with love. Tell me, how can I make them suspect each other, Grandma? After Gungun fell in the borewell, Mohan and Rahul came closer. Mohan has started talking to Uncle as well. Tell me, Grandma, if I tell Mohan that a member of his family has joined hands with Hriday, then what will happen? The relationships will get strained again.
What have you decided, Radha?
Until I find the real culprit, I won't come back. I'm ready to endure Mohan's scolding and anger. But I won't come back.
Wow, Radha. This is called determination. Or desperation. You don't understand this much English. I was saying that you are either dedicated or greedy. You will endure his scolding, curses and anger. But you won't leave this house. You made so much tall promises while leaving. I thought you wouldn't return, but look. You couldn't even stay away for a day. I know girls like you very well, you know. As soon as you see a rich boy, all your principles and values go down the drain. What is your plan now? Go and tell Mohan that you love him. Tell Mohan that you love him. Isn't that why you came back?
Damini.
Did Mohan overhear our conversation?
What are you doing here?
Actually, I came here to meet Radha.
Wow. Gungun, you have learned to take care of your friends from your dad. You can't bear to see your friends starving. Good job. Didn't I tell everyone not to talk to Radha? If you pity her so much, why don't you stay with her? Tell me, why did you lie to me? Give me an answer and come inside.
Mohan,
Radha.
I.
Oh no, I hope Radha doesn't tell Mohan that she loves him.
You.
Me?
I cannot tell you the truth.
You cannot tell me, right? So if you cannot tell me, then I cannot let you enter the house.
No, Mohan. Please let me in. It is very important.
It's important for me to know the truth. Just tell me the truth and come in.
Fine.
Yeah.
Don't let me enter the house.
If you don't want to tell me, why are you taking so much footage?
Footage means?
Why are you building yourself up? I mean, why are you wasting my time? You love to pour cold water on me, don't you? I feel like throwing some water over you. Quite. You and your Mohan. It's true, I haven't seen anyone as stubborn as you. You look so small, but you are stubborn as a mule. Why are you staring at me?
Mohan!
Wow, Mohan. Though you are upset with her, you don't want her to starve. I know girls like you very well, you know. As soon as you see a rich boy, all your principles and values go down the drain.
What were you saying, Sister Damini? You know girls like me very well, right? So tell me, sister, why did I leave the person I love so much? Why am I trying my best to keep my feelings from him? Why am I staying away from him? Answer me. No. Sister Damini, you don't know me. You don't know anything. You cannot understand me or even my love.
How dare you, Radha? That you talk back to me. I have to end Radha's chapter right now for good. As early as possible.
Hello?
Hello? I want you to get rid of a girl for me. I want you to take her life. Get to work once it's get dark.
Don't worry, ma'am. Consider this work done.
See, Mom, she's sitting there so shamelessly.
Why are your goons taking so long?
What are you doing, Mohan?
Darn it!
This is how I treat the people. The people who lie to me.
Mohan, please forgive me. I made a huge mistake. Mohan, please.
I am forgiving you. I am washing away the sins you committed by lying to me, okay?
Mohan!
Tell me, should I throw more water or will you leave?
No, Mohan, no, Mohan! Mohan, listen to me. I know that I made a huge mistake. You can punish me the way you want. But I won't leave.
What are you doing, Mohan? This is very wrong.
I'm really fed up of this father and daughter duo.
I hate you, Mohan. I hate you. Radha, I'm
Hey, Gungun,
coming
Gungun!
to you.
This is all your fault. Why did you get drenched in the water? Why didn't you move?
You just poured a bucket of water on me. What could I have done? What's wrong with him? Gungun?
Gungun, didn't I say that no one could talk to Radha? You can't talk to her. Get inside.
But I'll talk to her, talk to her, talk
Hey,
to her.
Gungun, come inside.
I won't. Why did you throw water on Radha? You are very bad. If Mohan Trivedi has a temper, then so does Gungun Trivedi. Dulari, get my belongings here.
Bye, Radha. I wish I could say that we will meet again, but your life is going to end so soon.
Who are you people? Mohan!
Wait, Mohan!
You shouldn't speak when elders are talking. And you are talking too much today.
She's right.
Look, you can do what you want to, but don't spare that girl's life.
Mohan!
Radha?